Hello, it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another wig review. This video is also in collaboration with Augusta Beauty Outlet, one of the largest beauty supply stores in the Augusta area. Located at 2512 Peach Orchard Road. Check out Augusta Beauty Outlet for all your hair care needs. But for now, let's go ahead and jump into the details on this unit. This unit is coming to you from Sister Wig. This is the cross part. It's a 360 cross lace H body. The color is Underlight Rainbow, but if this is not your jam, this unit does come in several different colors for your purchasing pleasure. Check the link in the description box to get Augusta Beauty Outlet's Facebook page, and I will also link some of my favorite online sites to purchase this unit from. Let's go ahead and get into wig construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back, and she does have an adjustable strap. This unit is on the medium, if not large head friendly size, and I'm going to think this unit was constructed such a way because of the 360 part. So let's go ahead and get into the parting because that is the claim. You'll see that I do have a vanilla dome cap underneath. I don't typically wear stocking caps to kind of even illuminate the part. I typically stick with dome caps to therefore protect my hair from the pulling of the unit. So you'll see that the parting is going to go all the way back, and I don't even have my hair tightly parted down here, so never mind the hump. But so you'll see the parting going down the middle, so you can also see that you're getting this type of parting as well. When you first get the unit, she is sectioned off in 4 quadrants in these rubber bands. I did find them kind of irritating to take off, but this does go to show you that there will be some shedding from this unit. So before the questions asked, she is a synthetic lace unit. Of course, there's going to be some shedding. The unit could be styled in multiple different ways, which is what I think is going to be the claim to fame of this unit. I am loving this coloring. So this is going to give me a complete 613 on top of platinum blonde. But it does have a little bit of warmth to it, which I was really surprised because when you pull it out the pack, the only thing that you see is the blonde, and then you go into this rainbow effect here and you get such a beautiful surprise. So I'm brushing her out. The construction of the unit is super realistic from what I can remember from working with blonde models in the past. Their hair, the longer it gets even shinier. Typically when you've done a high-end service as this unit is going to give you in coloring, the hair is usually treated with like an Olaplex or something like that. So that's the feel that I get from this unit. I can say that Sister Wigs did step it up with this unit because although it has multiple different colors, it's not coming off artificial. The only thing that I will say is this unit doesn't have any type of tint to the root. I would have loved if they would have done something along the 27, maybe not a 1B or 4, maybe like a 27, just to kind of temper the what they would call the retouch of the unit. That would be absolutely spectacular. But since they didn't, I want to show you guys how I plan on doing it, and hopefully I don't ruin it. So this color is copper, and I just want to take a little bit of her and I'm going to cover the root, and I just want to give it a little tint. You see what's happening? Totally the wrong color, but watch this. Once you kind of pop that in, you get a little bit more of a marking on where you could temper the unit. Of course, you can do this with like a brown or black. I'm just going to use the copper because that's what I have, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of my eyebrow product, my pomade. So copper it is. Sometimes you gotta use what you got, and I'm gonna pop it right along the hairline as well. Just kind of make it not look so intense right through there. And then again, and guess what? If you have a darker color, like I said, I would have preferred probably like a brown, but I didn't have it, and I didn't want to hold off on showing you guys, right? All right, now, so we have that done. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of my brow product, just using a little bit of a flat kind of shader brush, and I'm just going to take it to it. of a realistic feel by doing that. Also, I'm covering my cap. Use your spray as your marker for how the hair is going to fall, and just lightly dust over your spray with a little bit more of like a brow pomade. It tends to stick to this type of fabric or fibers really well. I don't ever have to worry about it bleeding out. It just really does set. It kind of takes on the partnership of the hairspray, and it just becomes something really cute. Now I like this so much better. So I have a little bit of the rose goldness coming through, and of course I would need to do this all the way down the unit just to kind of make it appear more authentic. But of course I would need to take her off my hand. And I just want to give you guys a quick idea of how, when a unit doesn't come with proper rooting or the rooting of your choice, how you can kind of take matters literally into your own hands and customize it for yourself. Grab me a brush, kind of brush that down, get the hairspray to make sure that doesn't have, ooh, and I got my full forehead. There you go. We just tempered that unit, and of course I'm going to keep playing with it. It's honestly like giving you just an idea that the more you play with it, the more customizable these types of units can become, because really with these fun fashion colors, to make them more personable, you do have to kind of customize them, and I'm just loving that so much better. I have me a little bit more of an offset part. Oh my god, yeah. Just putting it straight on trend. The lace on this unit was in total abundance. If you were wanting to maybe glue her down and pull it into a ponytail, totally able to do that because the lace did go all the way around the back of the unit. You wanted to have the unit where you could glue it down. Just make sure that you try the unit on and get an idea of how much lace you should cut. But I can see this being one of those units that I would want to do a quick little, you know, maybe a twist, or maybe even some fun braids with, which I think is why they added so much lace around the back. So let's just see if I can make this work. Oh yeah, that would be really cute. I like that already. So you can really see that peekaboo effect. And let's grab that rubber band that came with it. Even if you don't know how to braid, you can honestly just get two parts and twist the hair down and just continue to pull it in. And once you're done, just secure it. Go ahead and secure it in after you've done the pulling. Kind of see with that how the hair is going to take shape. Just kind of push it down to kind of mold your twist. I think this type of look would be really cute if you were going to maybe like an outdoor wedding, if you were going to be in a wedding. I think this is absolutely great for spring. Obviously something for Easter, somebody that wanted something a little bit more festive. Obviously you're going to go on a quick date night. I can see me taking this on like a cruise, so you can have some quick alternatives to complete more of the look. So there you have my review on the Sister Wig cross part unit. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me 2 thumbs up. Comment down below if you are totally into these fashion color units. Would you like for me to continue to review these types of units on my channel? You guys know I love to know. Comment down below. You guys also know I love to connect with you, so make sure you connect with me. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click that subscribe button. Also click that bell, which is a post notification, so every time I upload, you are notified. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.